All very tight. 23 from 6. You'd want to be the bowler. You want to be the bowling side. But with that man on strike, MS Dhoni, you just never know. In the final over, this IPL, he's scored 50 runs from 19 balls. Aksha Patel to bowl the final one. Good start, because it's a dot. Dhoni won't run. 263, just over, is his strike rate in the final over. Bang! Number 1.
That's one of them. One big one for Dhoni. Only 3 more required. Swinging this one with all his might.
Not before, I reckon, not before. Well fielded, outstanding Hashim Amla. Oh, brilliant. Just brilliant.
And they did not run, I don't think. Did they run? No. Could have gotten 2 there. Brilliant there by Hashim. Total commitment there on the boundary.
Oh, just inside. Just inside. It's 4 runs. There it goes. Gone. 6 runs. We're down to the final one. We're down to the last ball.
This is cricket. Look at the eyes. Opens up. Swings this one over mid-wicket. Is it the right choice?
Stop it. And by that, I don't mean Dhoni hits it out the park. Let's see how he goes. Oh, there you go. There you go.
He's done it. What a match. Dhoni, you beauty. The finisher. How many times he's done it? 23 of the last over. I know that feeling. Superb. Brilliant from MS Dhoni.
But he wanted to finish in style, and boy did he. He's certainly still got it, MS Dhoni. Joy and delight for his teammates. They haven't had much to shout about and be happy about throughout the course of this season. And a classic trademark whip away. Appreciation from R. Ashwin at the other end. He was sent back a number of times. MS Dhoni wanted to finish it. And he has it over. Murali Vijay took it right to the last ball. What a game.